Scholars, it's my favorite time of day. It's math time, silent celebration. Yes, before you get started, get your 2 worksheets that have story problems and rectangles. You also need your pencil. Pause the video to get everything you need. All right, let's warm up our brains and our bodies by counting to 20 and working out. Here we go.
Let's dance, sing, and count. I love to count. I love to count. Count to 20 and work out. Build up my brain and my body too. Count to 20. Have fun and move. Twist your body side to side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Step out front and crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I love to count. I love to count. Count to 20 and work out. Build up my brain and my body too. Count to 20. Have fun and move. Clap and stomp left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Twirl your lasso left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I love to count. I love to count. Count to 20 and work out. Build up my brain and my body too. Count to 20. Have fun and move. We counted to 20, partner.
Great job, scholars. I hope you had fun. I definitely did. All right, let's read our learning goal. Point to the words as I read. I can tell about unknown add-ins in story problems to 8. Scholars, when we add 2 numbers together, those are called add-ins. So we're going to have to figure out what numbers we are adding together in our story problems. Scholars, can you say add-ins? Okay, whisper it in your hands. Add-ins. Crumble it up. Put it in your brain. All right, we're going to remember that word. So scholars, I was out at recess with some of you, and I saw that you were playing with kickballs. Let's count those kickballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 kickballs. Show me 7 with your fingers. Yes. Scholars, Liam came up and Jason came up and they kicked the balls as hard as they could and they went all over the place. Whoa. Some of them landed in the mud and some of them landed on the grass. Can you count how many balls landed on the grass? Yeah, show me with your fingers. 3, very good. How many landed in the mud? Show me with your fingers. Great job, Jada. 4 landed in the mud. So now let's think about our math sentence. 7, so 7 kickballs equals how many landed in the grass? Yes, 3 plus or 3 and 4. So 7 equals 3 and 4. Very good, scholars. Let's do that again. All right, so we started with our kickballs. And this time I need Jada and Amaya to kick those balls as hard as you can. 1, 2, 3, kick. Whoa, look at what happened. So we started with 7 kickballs, and we know that 7 equals a group of how many? How many are in the grass? Yes, 5 are in the grass. So 7 equals a group of 5 and a group of how many? A group of 2. Great job, Sebastian. So 7 equals a group of 5 and a group of 2. Okay, let's try that again. There are our kickballs. I need Micah and I need Markel to help me out. Ready? Kick those balls as hard as you can. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, there we go. So our groups changed. We still have 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this time we see that 7 equals a group of how many are in the grass? 6. Very good, Navi. So 6 and 1. Great job. Kiss your brains. All right. Let's try this one more time. So there are our 7 kickballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This time I need Anaya and Carter to help me out. Kick those balls as hard as you can. 1, 2, 3, kick. Oh, what do you see? Yeah, the groups changed again. So we have 7 equals a group of how many? A group of 2 plus a group of how many, Asa? Yes, a group of 5. So 7 equals 2 plus 5. All right, scholars. I don't know about you, but I love jelly beans. So it was a birthday party, and Ayana invited us over. She turned the knob 3 times. So I need you to help me turn the knob 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. We have some jelly beans. Keep turning. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So let's look at our groups of jelly beans. How many jelly beans do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 jelly beans. And 8 jelly beans is a group of how many? Yes, a group of 2 blue jelly beans plus a group of how many red jelly beans? Yes, a group of 6 red jelly beans. 8 equals 2 blue plus 6 red jelly beans. Very good. All right, let's try that again. Turn the knob 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We see some blue ones again. Oh, and we see some more blue ones. Turn it again. 1, 2, 3. There are our red jelly beans. So we have 8 jelly beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 equals how many blue? Yes, 8 equals 4 plus, or 4 and 4 and 4. Very good. Scholars, the 4 and the 4 are our add-ins. Remember, we learned that word. Add-ins are the 2 numbers that we are adding together. So let's try this again, scholars. I took Mark on a picnic, and we took all of these sandwiches with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the count of 3, I want you to snap your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. So we made 8 sandwiches to take with us to the picnic, and we already put some in a basket. So scholars, we have 8 sandwiches. What symbol do we need to write next? Yes, an equal sign. So 8 equals, how many are in the basket? Yes, 3 are in the basket, plus how many are not in the basket? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 are not in the basket. Very good, scholars. Let's try that one more time. On the count of 3, I need you to snap your fingers. 1, 2, 3. All right, so we started with 8 sandwiches, and 8 equals how many are in the basket? Yes, 1 sandwich. What symbol do we need to write? A plus sign. Very good. So 8 equals 1 plus how many are not in the basket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are not in the basket. Very good, scholars. All right, let's practice this together. Go ahead and get your worksheet and your pencil. It says, Devin has 6 Spider-Man pencils that he put on his desk. And the rest of his pencils are in the box. Write a number sentence to show how many pencils Devin might have in his desk and pencil box. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. I'm going to circle a group of 4. Scholars, so I circled a group of 4, and that means I also have a group of 2. 6 equals 4 and 2. 4 and 2 equal 6. Very good. So let's say that he puts these 4 in his desk. So I'm going to put that right there, which means he put 2 in his pencil box. Very good. 6 equals 4 plus 2. Shania made 7 necklaces. She wore some of the necklaces and put the rest in her jewelry box. Use the linking cubes to think about how many necklaces Shania might have on and how many are in her jewelry box. Then complete the number sentence. Scholars, you can draw a line anywhere on those linking cubes. I'm going to draw a line after 3. So now I'll fill in my number sentence. 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4, so I need to write a 4, equals 7 because we have 7 necklaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would also write my sentence as 7 equals 3 and 4. 7 equals 3 plus 4. Scholars, write your math sentence to match your picture. All right, let's go to our next story problem. It says, Tommy planted 8 flowers. He planted some in his garden and some in flower pots. Draw how Tommy may have planted the flowers. Fill in the number sentence to match your pictures. So I'm going to draw a couple in a flower pot and a couple in a garden. Do I have 8 flowers yet? No, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to add some more. I need 8 flowers. So let's see here. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to add some more flowers in flower pots. Go ahead and draw your picture. Make sure you have 8 flowers. Now I need to do the number sentence that matches my flowers. So I have 8 flowers, which equals how many in flower pots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which equals 6. And how many in the garden? 2. Very good. So 8 equals 6 plus 2. I can also write that as 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. All right, scholars, the last one, you are going to create your own story and draw a picture. And then you're going to fill in your number sentence. So my story is that there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people playing basketball. There were 8 girls playing basketball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. 5 of them were practicing shooting the basket, and 3 of them were practicing dribbling the basket. So 8 basketball players, 5 were shooting the basket, and 3 were dribbling the basket. So my math sentence is 5 plus 3 equals 8. I can also write that as 8 equals 5 and 3. Scholars, it is time for you to come up with your own story problem. Go ahead and draw your picture and fill in your number sentence. You have 30 seconds. Go. All right, 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scholars, if you didn't finish, you can pause the video and finish. I'm so proud of you today, scholars. Scholars, today we looked at story problems and we drew pictures to match those story problems. We also had to figure out the add-ins or the numbers that we were adding together. Kiss your brains. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.